Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can speak English in just 5 minutes a day. This is perfect for beginners. You don't need to be an expert at English already. If you are a beginner, if you have just started learning English, or if you haven't even started and you want to begin learning, this lesson is for you. In this lesson, we are going to cover a simple routine. It is very simple and easy to understand. You can do it every day and it will help you to gain confidence in your speaking ability. And then at the end of this lesson, I'm gonna show you a way where you can track your progress. So now without further delay, let us begin with the lesson. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna follow along with me. I'm gonna narrate what I am doing and you can follow along with me. And I recommend that you do this every day. Okay, so now let us begin with our routine. So the first thing I am gonna do is I am gonna stand up from my seat. I'm gonna stand up because I want to get some fresh air. As you know, we are inside most of the time. So standing outside, getting some fresh air is always good for health. So that is why I'm standing up. That's the reason. The first thing is I'm standing up from my seat. Okay, I'm standing up from my seat. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch my arms like this. Stretching is also important for our body. We need to stretch our body from time to time because when we sit for long hours on a chair, our body becomes stiff. So stretching is very important. Okay, so now I've stretched my arms. Now I'm going to stretch my legs. I'm stretching my legs right now. And next I'm going to take a deep breath in. Inhale, exhale. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Now I'm going to relax. Now again, take a deep breath in. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe out, relax. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. So you can follow along with me. Okay. So I've relaxed now. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to close my eyes. Close my eyes. Next thing I am going to do is I am going to think of any one person who I admire a lot. I really like that person. Who is that? For me, that person is my father. My father. I admire him a lot. I respect him a lot. He is a great man. I really like him a lot. Who is that for you? Think of any one person who you admire a lot. Think of any person who you respect a lot. Think of any person who you like a lot. Who is that for you? Think about that person. Okay, so I'm thinking about my father right now. Okay, so that's the first thing. Think of any person who you admire a lot. Think of any person who you respect a lot. Think of any person who you like a lot. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say positive things about that person. What kind of things? Positive things. Good things. I'm going to say only positive things about that person. For example, I can say my father is very kind. My father is very caring. My father is a strong person. My father is a hard worker. My father is a great man. These are all positive things. Say only positive things about that person. Don't say anything bad. Okay, so I'm saying my father is a very kind person. My father is very caring. My father is a strong person. My father is a hard worker. My father is a great man. So I'm saying these things about my father. What are you saying about your person? So say something good about that person. Okay, so that was the second step. Say something good about that person. The third thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my eyes. Open my eyes. And the fourth thing I am going to do is I am going to look around me and I am going to appreciate what I see. Appreciate what you see. When you are looking around, you will see many things, right? You will see trees, you will see flowers, you will see buildings, you will see people. Look around and appreciate what you see. For example, I can say, wow, nature is beautiful. The trees look amazing. Wow, these flowers are colorful. I like the blue sky. I like the green grass. I like the white clouds. I can say these things. You can say these things. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm appreciating what I see around me. Okay, so the fifth thing I'm going to do is I'm going to smile. Smile and be happy. Be joyful. Enjoy the moment. Be grateful for everything that you have. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm smiling and being grateful for everything that I have. Okay, so that's the fifth step. Smile and be happy. And now the sixth thing I'm going to do is I am going to take a deep breath in and breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. So now I'm going to relax. And the seventh thing I'm going to do is I am going to repeat steps 2 to 6. Repeat steps 2 to 6. Again, I'm going to think of that person whom I admire a lot. I respect a lot. I like a lot. I'm going to think of that person. Okay, so I'm thinking of my father again. And I'm going to say positive things about that person. I'm going to say good things about that person. Don't say anything bad. Say only good things. So my father is very kind. My father is very caring. My father is a strong person. My father is a hard worker. My father is a great man. I'm saying these things about my father. And then again, I'm going to open my eyes. I'm going to look around and appreciate what I see. Appreciate what you see. Say good things. Oh wow, nature is beautiful. The trees look amazing. The flowers are colorful. I like the blue sky. I like the green grass. I like the white clouds. I can say these things. You can say these things. Okay, so now I'm appreciating what I see around me. And then I'm going to smile. Smile and be happy. Be grateful for everything that you have. And then again, I'm going to take a deep breath in. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe out and relax. So you are going to repeat these steps. Steps 2 to 6. You are going to repeat these steps for 5 minutes. Just keep repeating. But remember, you should do this in a peaceful place. Find a quiet place where nobody bothers you. Where you are comfortable. Go to that place and do these steps. Steps 2 to 6. Repeat them for 5 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can track your progress. When you start this lesson, I want you to write down 5 things that you will say about that person whom you admire a lot. Write down 5 things. Okay, so here are 5 things that I'm going to write about my father. My father is very kind. My father is very caring. My father is a strong person. My father is a hard worker. My father is a great man. So these are the 5 things that I'm going to write. I'm going to write these 5 things right now. So write down 5 things, and when you finish this lesson after 5 minutes, again write down 5 things. Again, write down 5 things that you will say about that person. Write them down. And when you compare both of the papers, you will see the difference. You will see the improvement. Trust me. You will see the improvement in your writing. You will see the improvement in your speaking. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please hit the like button below this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.